Drink these teas tonight to flush out all the toxins from the body. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is celebrated not only for its distinctive flavor but also for its numerous health benefits. Packed with polyphenol and catechins, green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants that may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a type of catechin found in green tea, has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties and its ability to boost metabolism. Moreover, green tea has been associated with cardiovascular health, as it may help lower LDL cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. Number 9. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea, derived from the leaves and roots of the common dandelion plant, is more than just a pesky weed in your garden. It's an herbal remedy with potential health benefits. Traditionally used in various cultures for its diuretic properties, dandelion tea may promote increased urine production, aiding in the elimination of excess fluids and waste from the body. Moreover, this tea is believed to support liver health by promoting the flow of bile, which plays a crucial role in digestion and the removal of toxins. Number 8. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is not only a delightful and soothing beverage, but also holds potential health benefits, particularly for digestive well-being. Known for its refreshing menthol flavor, peppermint tea has been traditionally used to alleviate various digestive issues. The menthol in peppermint may help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, potentially easing symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea, brewed from the roots of the ginger plant, is not just a flavorful infusion but also boasts a range of potential health benefits. Renowned for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The bioactive compound gingerol, found in ginger, is believed to be responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. Ginger tea is often used to alleviate nausea, making it a popular choice for soothing upset stomachs and morning sickness. Moreover, ginger's digestive benefits extend to promoting healthy digestion, potentially reducing bloating and indigestion. Number 6. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea, crafted from the golden-hued spice known for its active compound curcumin, is gaining popularity for its potential health-promoting properties. Curcumin is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making turmeric tea a valuable addition to a wellness-focused routine. With its roots in traditional medicine, turmeric has been associated with various health benefits, including potential support for joint health, improved digestion, and enhanced cognitive function. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin may contribute to the alleviation of symptoms in conditions like arthritis, while its antioxidant effects help combat oxidative stress in the body. Number 5. Lemon detox tea. Lemon detox tea, often associated with cleansing regimens, is a concoction typically made by combining water, lemon juice, and sometimes cayenne pepper or maple syrup. While the idea of a detox has become popular, it's important to note that the body has its own natural detoxification processes, primarily carried out by the liver and kidneys. The combination of lemon and water, however, does offer hydration and a dose of vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Number 4. Nettle tea. Nettle tea, brewed from the leaves of the stinging nettle plant, is an herbal infusion with a history steeped in traditional medicine. Nettle tea is often lauded for its potential health benefits, including its diuretic properties, which may aid in flushing out toxins and excess fluids from the body. The tea is rich in vitamins and minerals, such as iron, calcium, and magnesium, contributing to its reputation as a nutritive beverage. Some proponents suggest that nettle tea can support kidney function and alleviate conditions like arthritis and allergies, though more research is needed to substantiate these claims. Number 3. Milk thistle tea. Milk thistle tea, derived from the seeds of the milk thistle plant, is celebrated for its potential liver protective properties. The active compound in milk thistle, silymarin, is believed to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which may help support liver health. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, milk thistle has been explored as a natural remedy for conditions such as liver cirrhosis, hepatitis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. While research on the efficacy of milk thistle for these conditions is ongoing, the tea is generally considered safe for consumption. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, crafted from the vibrant petals of the hibiscus flower, is not only visually appealing but also carries potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus tea has been associated with various positive effects on health. Some studies suggest that it may contribute to lowering blood pressure, potentially due to its anti-inflammatory properties and the presence of bioactive compounds. Additionally, hibiscus tea has been linked to improved cholesterol levels and may aid in weight management. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, crafted from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. With a history steeped in traditional medicine, chamomile tea is often used to promote relaxation, alleviate stress, and improve sleep quality. The tea contains epigallocatechin, an antioxidant that may bind to certain receptors in the brain, exerting a mild sedative effect. Due to its natural calming properties, chamomile tea is commonly recommended for individuals dealing with insomnia or anxiety. Beyond its potential benefits for the nervous system, chamomile tea is also known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, making it a gentle remedy for indigestion and bloating. Incorporating these naturally cleansing teas into your routine can be a delightful way to explore the world of herbal remedies and potentially enhance your overall well-being. From the antioxidant-rich green tea to the soothing chamomile, each tea offers a unique flavor profile and a range of potential health benefits. Remember, while these teas can be a flavorful addition to a balanced diet, they are not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. If you enjoyed learning about these teas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future videos on health, wellness, and the fascinating world of herbal remedies. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happy and healthy journey ahead.